Okay, one important point is this angle is 45 and this is 3. So this OD will also be 3, right? Plot this point O, A, B, C, D, right? And then solve it. This is in 10 seconds. Now we have to find the speed of the aeroplane. So tan 30 equals to what? 3 upon 3 plus DC. 3 upon 3 plus DC, right? Therefore tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore 3 upon 3 plus DC equals to 1 by root 3. Cross them. So you get 3 plus DC equals to 3 into 1.732, or you can keep it root 3 only depending on the answer. So I have solved it. So 3 into 1.732. Therefore 3 plus DC equals to 5.196. Take 3 on the other side. It becomes 2.196. That is DC. Now DC you got it 2.196 kilometers. Now this DC and AB are same, right? Because it's a rectangle. Now this is what 2.196. This is AB. So this much, or we'll convert it into meters. 2196 meters into 1000, right? So 2196 meters the plane travels in 10 seconds, right? This much distance it travels in 10 seconds. So speed is easy now. Speed equals to distance upon time. 2196 upon 10, right? Therefore 219.6 meter per second. But is the speed given in meter per second? It's always given in kilometers per hour. So to convert meter per second into kilometers per hour, we'll have to multiply it by 18 upon 5. Remember this figure very. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.